Hey there, so we escaped the office today and are here at the park, and we're going to be showing you glitter balloons and talking to you a little bit about how to do them and how perhaps not to do them. Alright, so we're going to start off, we bought some of these clear latex balloons. Dyson has them here. The thing about the latex when it's clear is it allows you to really see the glitter through it, which is of course what the whole thing is about. You can certainly use the colored balloons like these, but you're just really not going to get an effect, so we do recommend the clear latex. At this point, when you blow a balloon, the moisture from your breath is actually coating the inside of the balloon, and we all know that glitter loves moisture. It likes to stick to moisture. So when you're blowing it up like this, you're actually coating the inside with a tiny little bit of moisture. If you are to blow your balloons up with glitter, like let's say a couple hours before your event, you're going to get better sticking. I blew up a few balloons yesterday using my breath, and I want to show you what happened overnight. So yesterday, this balloon was completely coated all over, and now today, you can hear it. You can hear that most of the glitter has fallen off. That's because the moisture is basically dried out. So if you want to have that nice overall coated look, you should do it just before your event, maybe an hour or so before the event, so that it stays coated. Now, that's craft glitter. Now, something different happens with polyester. This polyester was done yesterday, the same thing, blown up by with our own breath, and you can see that it's still sticking pretty well. That's because polyester has a natural static cling to it, so it wants to cling to the latex a lot better than the craft does. So if you have to do it the day before your event, polyester is the way to go. So we're going to go ahead and show you what we did in order to achieve this balloon. So we use this little funnel. It makes it really easy to fill the balloon. And this one here is a chunky 040 polyester holographic glitter. We're using, I would say, about maybe a little over a quarter of a teaspoon in this balloon. At this point, you just want to kind of shake it up a little bit in the balloon, and then she's going to go ahead and just blow it up. Beautiful. And it's because of her breath, again, you can see it's stuck just gorgeously to that balloon.
I'm going to do a...
We have gold.
Yellow one.
We have a chunky gold, and we have a fine gold. I think the fine gold...
These will probably be too opaque for the most part anyways,
yeah,
but we should give it a,
give it a shot. So here's chunky gold.
Sounds good.
Actually, yeah, chunky gold craft glitter she's going to be doing. I'm going to predict that this is not going to be a success.
I second the motion.
Yeah, but we want to show you why you might not want to do something just as much as we show you why you do want to do something. Yes, indeed. Tremendous failure.
Yeah, well, there's a little action.
Okay, so what's happened here is
pretty opaque.
the lack of the moisture in the breath is making it not stick.
It's a sound element.
If there is a nice sound, if you want like a maraca, then this is a good way to go. Okay, great. So the next one we're going to do is helium again, but this time she's going to use the clear balloon, and we're going to do an ultrafine poly holographic silver. I would say in this case she's using about a quarter teaspoon.
Jump in the gun. Okay.
Okay, great. Let's see if we can.
Ready.
Okay, so what we've got here is the helium. Again, no moisture inside, but because it's ultra fine, it really is coating the entire balloon. Okay, so this right here is a plastic balloon. The brand is Deco, and we just bought it, off the web. And we're going to see how glitter, reacts to it. What I'm thinking is going to happen here is that it will not stick at all to the inside. But what I think it's going to do is kind of hang at the bottom. So it's going to be one of those balloons that might be kind of fun to like throw around, and so the kids can throw it around. In which case, if that is the case, craft glitter is what I would go for, so that it's heavy and it has a sound, and it's more fun for the kids to see it flying around inside the balloon. This is what I suspect is going to happen. I really don't think you're going to get it sticking to the insides of it. We're putting at least, I would say, just under a tablespoon of glitter into this balloon. In fact, what I think we're going to do, because it's such a big balloon, I think we should add a little bit more. How about some fine? We're going to add the fine as well. And we'll do about half of that. We're doing about another tablespoon. Okay, good. Are you able to, because you just said... I think in this case we're going to do helium on this one, even though it might have half a chance with breath, but we're going to do helium just because it's such a big balloon. I can't imagine anyone wanting to blow it up by their mouth. So it's just like I thought. It's not sticking at all, but it is, because it's so clear, you can see the beautiful glitter inside it, and it would be a lot of fun to throw that around or to just shake it like so. So it's not necessarily going to give you the same effect as the latex balloons, but you can see that it's still going to be a lot of fun, especially for kids.
So here we go. We're gonna pop our balloons. Your event's over, but you know you could. You want to be aware if it's not somewhere you want glitter everywhere, because it will come everywhere. So if you don't want it to get everywhere, you could just simply pop them in the bag and contain your glitter.
Go ahead and open this up if we can. Maybe a pair of pliers or something. Give it a whirl. Yep. I loosened it for you. I loosened it for
I
her.
have the angle.
It's so weak. It's so weak.
But where's the go button?
Okay, so
Yeah.
what happens is
Nozzle.
you put it on and then you push to the side and out it comes. Yeah. She wants to blow on.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna do
breathe it.
a-
Mickey Mouse voice.
Hope you enjoyed our glitter balloon episode. We love you here at Glitter My World.
We hope you enjoyed our glitter balloon episode.